Hello guys, Namaskar, Pranam, Adab. Welcome back to my quick tip series by QuickFit. So here, today we'll again discuss more about your diet. But before we go forward, let's just take a review of what we did in week 1. So here is the time when we discuss our second quick tip. But before we go forward, I want you to know that मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ जो आपको एक टाइम पीरियड के लिए डाइट दूँ. My focus is कि आप ऐसी डाइट फॉलो करें जो आप आराम से अपने लाइफस्टाइल में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सके. So going ahead with the second quick tip, today I will focus on your breakfast. Yes, आज हम बात करेंगे आपके नाश्ते की. मस्त, एकदम टेस्टी और किंग साइज नाश्ता. Yes, it is very important if you are on a weight loss program. Trust me, if you skip your breakfast, your day is ruined. मैंने बहुत लोग देखे हैं जो बोलते हैं ऑफिस जाना है, टाइम नहीं है नाश्ता करने का, लेट हो जाऊंगा. बट अगर आप स्टार्ट ही इतना खाली पेट कर रहे हो, एनर्जी कहाँ से आएगी भैया, ये तो बताओ. और उसके बाद जब भूख लगेगी, इरिटेशन, गुस्सा, काम पे गुस्सा, बॉस से गुस्सा, एम्प्लॉय पे गुस्सा, कहाँ निकालोगे ये गुस्सा. सो भाई, बेटर हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड टेक पीस अलॉन्ग विद यू एट योर वर्क प्लेस. बात करते हैं थोड़े टेक्निकल टर्म्स की. Skipping your breakfast can be really bad for your heart health. Yes, it can lead to hardening and narrowing your arteries, which further promotes heart attacks and strokes. And trust me, if you're starting your day with a good breakfast, you will never feel lethargic throughout your day. और अब हम बात करेंगे कि हमको क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. Yes, eat anything and everything that's made at your home. माँ के हाथ का खाना, पति के हाथ का खाना बड़ी किस्मत वालों को मिलता है. Do not miss it. Just enjoy and relish it. But please do not eat anything that comes in a packet. No chips, no preservatives. Your breakfast has to be a healthy, home-cooked food. और अब हम बात करेंगे 7 best, quick, tasty yet healthy recipes for your breakfast. So the first 6 recipes, they are easily available on YouTube and Google. But the last one that I'm giving out, that is the perfect Sunday recipe, is exclusively made by my mom. Yes, it's a recipe that I discovered only by my mom, and that's yum, tasty and super healthy. So wait till the end, I'll give you this recipe step by step for the last one. और अब हम बात करेंगे हम सबके फेवरेट नाश्ते की. Yes, पोहा. पोहा आजकल सबके घर में बहुत जनरली, स्पेशली जो वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम पे है, बहुत रेगुलरली बनता है. बट डू यू नो दैट यू कैन ऐड रियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स बाय एडिंग सम स्प्राउट्स टू इट? यस, स्प्राउट्स आर नॉट जस्ट गुड फॉर योर डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ बट ऑल्सो गिव यू अ ग्लोइंग स्किन. सो जस्ट नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर यू आर मेकिंग पोहा, बिफोर एडिंग योर स्पाइसेस, add sprouts to it and cook well. Trust me, you'll discover a tastier and a healthier version of poha. अब हम बात करेंगे बिल्कुल देसी इंडियन नाश्ते के बारे में. Yes, you can enjoy your paratha without any jhijak. It is really healthy, really nutrition and very important because it has a lot of carbs. And if you're not having carbs, then obviously you will feel lethargic throughout the day. So today, I'll tell you how can you make your paratha healthy. All you have to do is, instead of adding oil and butter, just use cow's ghee. It has n number of benefits. It will cure constipation, it will cure thyroid, it can cure sinus and what not. So why not take this healthy paratha which is really tasty and enjoy your breakfast. अब जब हम पराठे की बात कर ही रहे हैं, so let me tell you that methi paratha is not just an excellent Indian breakfast for weight loss but is also an anti-diabetic food. So just add in a pinch of salt, some methi leaves, chopped coriander leaves and a pinch of red chili powder to your dough and enjoy your bharwa methi paratha. Another variety that can make your paratha super nutritious is adding sprouts to it. Sprouts, as we have already discussed, are really good for your health, for your digestion, for your skin and what not. So just add in some boiled mashed sprouts in your paratha and enjoy your paratha in a super nutrition and tasty way. So now that let's just get over paratha, I'm I'm going to tell you some extremely good tasty recipes with oats. To tell you honestly, I am a person who hates oats like anything. I find them so boring, like how can you eat oats? But trust me, making them in a pancake form, it's wow. So all you have to do is just mix in wheat, oat, banana and cinnamon powder together, thick and nice, and then cook it over a preheated non-stick tawa. After you're done, just add a bit of honey and enjoy this. Trust me, you're gonna love oats after this. Another very good option for your breakfast is rice idli with sambar. Being rice, it is really good carb and it will keep you active throughout the day. It can also strengthen your immune system, give you a better cardiac output and has no added cholesterol. So all you have to do is start your day with 3 to 4 idlis in the morning and trust me, आपको दोपहर तक भूख लगने का कोई chance नहीं है. So just enjoy your South Indian breakfast and relish it completely. Now that we are done with the 6 recipes of the day, I'm here to tell you the 7th one. So, do you remember I promised something in the beginning of the video? Yes, you got it right. अब टाइम है जब मैं आपको अपनी स्पेशल रेसिपी बताऊंगी. Just get your copy, get your pen, get your phone, notepad, whatever it is and write it down because trust me, if you're missing this, you are really missing something. So before we go forward, I have a story to tell. I was doing my yoga certification and एक दिन मैं क्लास से वापस आती हूँ. I feel super hungry, but heavy भी नहीं खाना, light खाने का मन है, exercise करके आया है भाई, कैसे heavy खा ले. So I told mom the same thing. मम्मा भूख तो बहुत लगी है पर कुछ हल्का खाना है और टेस्टी खाना है. So she said, बेटा मुझे 10 मिनट दे, I'll give you that you want. So she had prepared idli sambar for that day, but she did not serve me that. Instead, she took her time, as she said 10 minutes, and 10 minutes mein I get some yum idli. And trust me, it was amazing. And till date, I am fond of that idli. Nobody and nothing can beat that type of idli that I had that day. So let's go forward and I'll tell you the recipe for the same idli. And now it's time that I share my recipe with you all. Get your pens, let's write it down. So how you go? Add a bit of mustard seeds and curry patta to a bit of cow's ghee. Cook it for a while and then add chopped onions. When the onions are transparent, add a bit of chopped capsicum as well and cook it well for a minute or 2. In a while, add a pinch of salt, black pepper, tomato sauce and soya sauce and cook it well again. Let it set for like 1 or 2 minutes and then cut one idli in 4 pieces and add it to the mixture. Cook it well again for 1 or 2 minutes and let it settle for a while. And my favorite recipe is ready. Just try this dish and let me know in the comments that how you like it. For your reference, इस recipe को मैंने description में भी लिखा है. So you just try it out and also if you think you can add something to it to make it tastier and healthier, write it down in the comment section. I'll really appreciate. अब आपके पास पूरे 7 दिन का मेन्यू तैयार है कि आपको नाश्ते में क्या बनाना है. So all you have to do is get up, get your groceries, utilize your Sunday and get going. And also, I would appreciate if you share your own healthy recipes with me through the comment section and make our channel a very healthy place for all of us. So now you have 2 quick tips from me. First one is having a big glass of water every morning and second one is do not skip your breakfast at any cost. Keep following these 2 and I'll see you next week with the 3rd one and keep guessing the 3rd one and don't forget to follow the first 2. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next week with your quickest fitness journey with QuickFit by Aditi Ratti.